Like this, oh.
Naisusulat ka na, Arian? Dati, ang hirap pa eh, no?
Sabi mo. Hindi mo tayo paano pa.
And finish na?
Yes, yung rate mo na this. Sino, hindi mo tayo paano pa. Sabi mo.
Daddy?
Gagawin ito na lapat.
Oo.
Yan pa. Ninya, ninyo, kanyaw.
It's hard naman.
Yung rate na.
Kahit tig-isa lang yan. Gagayahin lang niya. Isa-isa lang.
It's not easy at all.
You can do it, Clay.
Not all.
Yes.
No. Daddy, it's hard.
Only one. Oh, ninyo naman, ninyo. Only one. Oh, ninyo. Kanyete. Wash na kayo pagkatapos na rin, ha?
That wash.
Okay, kanyete.
Mali.
Zuniga.
Mali, please, mali. Kanbete. Why you treat this? Mali naman.
Patapos mo muna rin, sana. Maya na lang balikan.
Kanete.
Yung gaya lang. Enye. Suniga. Z. Very good! Guling naman ni Clea. Good luck sa exam mo bukas, ha? I have no pasok. Tomorrow is Friday. Anong tawag sa exam niyo, Aren? Mastery? Ano? Fourth mastery? Ha? Fourth mastery. Last exam na. Then vacation. Ano ba March ano ngayon? March?
Hindi pa last exam.
Oo nga, March ano?
30.
13?
Daddy, I don't want to mag-grade 1.
Okay, yes.
Why
It's okay na. It's okay. La. It's okay na. Okay, you rest na. Then later you wash, then we will sleep na. Okay? Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye subscriber. You say bye-bye subscriber.
I gonna...
Say bye-bye subscriber. Bye-bye subscriber.
Daddy, I don't like to... I don't want to be grade 1 na.
Okay. Okay, so it's okay. Don't think about it. It's okay. Come on, you take a rest na. Oh yes. I have no work tomorrow. I will bantay you and hatid you. And hintay. Then let's go to SM after ate. Sa ano, di ba may playground doon, free? Oh, di ba? Because it's summer na eh. It's hot.
Not
It's hot.
readings.
Yes. After school ni ate, let's go to SM. Because it's hot eh. No?
Car.
Yes, use car. It's Friday tomorrow.
Daddy.
Okay, say bye-bye, subscribe mo na.
Bye-bye,